Okay, so I've gotten most of my groceries put away. I just need to finish separating out my meat. I made a comment on my live video that pricing didn't seem right when I read that my receipt said something about saving 30% or something like that. I was right. So I did look at my receipt a little bit, and the stuff that has those special labels, it doesn't register as a savings. It registers that as being the actual product price. So it doesn't actually show how much I saved on that product. I'm going to go back and do some math on those later. But in the meantime, I'm just going to finish sorting out my meat. I already got my beef done. I just need to finish out my pork. I'll cut this pork thing open here. The pork did show how much I saved. Let me, just as a reminder, show that. It shows on here that I saved $32.23. Am I getting that on the picture right? Alright. Right now it's draining out some of the meat. Just cut this open. And I'm going to put this into my bags here. I got some bags. I've got them pre-opened up. I learned, and I was doing the beef. See, now these here, this just scanned in at that price. I don't show as showing the $3.80 or $3.19 that I saved on that. So that didn't show up on my receipt as a savings. This is probably going to make me about, I don't know, I'm guessing about 4 meals. So I've got 4 bags ready. If I need more bags, I'll get out more bags. Let me get this thing opened up and tethered right now with the charger. So I don't really want to put my hands on anything else once I start working with this. So I'm trying to find a spot for my phone where you can see me actually working with the meat. Actually, maybe where I normally put it's good. Let's stay. Whoops. Let me pause this while. Okay, so I think that's about as good as I'm going to get. I'll open up this package here. Once I get this open, I don't want to touch anything else. Alright. Hands are clean. Everything is set to go. I'm going to start by bursting out the first piece of meat here. Look at that. No cutting required. That looks like one crock pot meal right there, all by itself. I'm going to rinse it off a little bit. It's cold water. Rinse it off. Some of that slime out of there. Get the water in the bag. Set it aside. Let's get our second one out. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. No cutting required. Again, quick rinse. Put some bag. I'm going to need more bags. This side. I'm trying to remember how many Butcher told me was in here. I thought he said there was 3. I thought I was going to have to cut one in half, maybe 2. So I got my cutting board ready to go here. Let's just set this down. Let's get a count. Oh God, these are all perfectly cut and shaped for me already. I'm gonna know. I'm gonna, at least with one of these, I'm gonna shred it up, make tacos. Throw them on the cooking. Shredded pork tacos. That'll be a sweet thing. I'm not doing this live because I thought this was going to be a lengthy process, but now it looks like it's going to go pretty quick. 4th one. Already got 2 bags. This one is the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pork loins out of this one bag. Nice. Nice. Come to think of it, I think he might have said there were 6. I think he said there was at least 6 in there. These all smell wonderful. Nice and fresh, no odor at all. Four of them are bagged. You need 3 more bags. Okay, so what's left in there is some pork blood. It's going down the sink. I'll make this hot water. Wash up a bit. Whenever I'm handling pork, I do like to keep my hands clean. Starting to bleed onto my countertop, which is good. Don't mind that, because I know how to clean. Yeah, I do have a Band-Aid on my wrist. I'm talking my hand, actually. I cut myself while I was putting some stuff away. I don't know what I cut it on exactly. I think it might have been this drawer here. It doesn't hurt or anything, it's just nuisance. It's bleeding through the Band-Aid already. It's just being a nuisance thing. Get some more bags here. How many do I need? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's open. One, 2, 3. All right. Another one put away. Good thing is, even though I'm not feeding an army, I'm going to be fed like an army. Don't have to worry about pleasing anybody but me. So I'll be able to season them. And cook them appropriately. Again, like I said earlier, you'll be able to, if you follow my cooking channel, you'll be able to see those. If you don't follow my cooking channel, that's okay. I'm not offended. You know, people tell me I can't cook, and I'll let them think that because they have their preferences, and well, that's just the way it is. Life moves on, and so do I. Okay, enough gabbing, enough sharing. Oh, you know what I am going to do? Close this thing up. Close these up. Put them in the freezer with the rest of my meat. My feet. Double seal bags. Close these up. Blow out the air. Seal it. Hear the snaps. There we go. Gotta make sure they're sealed. I want the air getting in here. Just to freeze up nice and well. These will be gone by the end of the month. They will not go to waste. Will not go to waste. I've actually already invited someone to come share some of this with me. And I think they will. So that will be nice. Share some new. You know, if I'd gone to Dallas, I would have had human contact by now. I know this because all I would have had to do was walk through my old workplace, USA Bowl. And there are some old bowlers there. There are some old employees there. There are people that would have walked up to me and grabbed me and hugged me. I would have had human contact. I don't get any human contact yet. I lost what human contact I had. And unfortunately, human contact is one of those things that, well, if you don't have it, you miss it. I haven't had any human contact in over a month. Okay, get off that subject. I don't want to bring any down actually. I'm about to show you something really fun and beautiful. Whoa, don't get away from me. Anyway, wrap you up nice and good. Seal this puppy up. It's not a real puppy. I feel like I have to say that because some people think the worst of me. Well, they tend to be the ones that watch my videos the most. Okay. Freezer. Pork loin. There. Here's the donor with the thing. Ooh, there's food in here. We gotta work now. Did have two empty bowls or two empty things of ice cream that I was keeping in there just to keep the freezer working. And what I did was I put water in them and made it make ice. So I was keeping those in there just to keep the freezer working. You know, a freezer that's actually running, keeping stuff cold is going to burn less energy than a freezer that's constantly trying to freeze air. Okay, so fries. An old bottle of Bushmill. Fries. The ribs. All my pork. My sandwiches. And the steak. One steak. I bought yesterday. I ate one yesterday. It was another one of those markdowns. And a refrigerator full of stuff. Got water bottles. Got one Coke bottle. It's a 1 liter bottle. And I got that veggie pack sitting there on top of my Cokes. I leftover chicken. This is going into my, probably I'll do a snack tonight with my last thing of ramen. I got some cheese. Mustard, I don't want to run out. This one's starting to get a little empty, so got another thing of mustard. My cream cheese, use that in my ramen as well. Snack pack puddings. You know, I'm trying to gain weight. I got this to go for my dipping for the veggies. I am trying to gain weight. Got my tomatoes and celery. No, that's not going to help me gain weight. They're still empty. I got to find more food. I still got sandwich meat. Got my bread and bananas. And pudding, which I'm going to make a little bit later. So, all in all, doing okay. Oh, did I show you my cupboards? There's a food up here. I even got some turkey flavored stuffing mix. That's going to go well with something. I don't know what yet. All of these, they scanned in at 69 cents. They don't show me how much they regularly priced at. So I'm going to find those out. I'm going to look that up. I think these are normally they're about 89 cents or 99 cents. I'm not sure. I'm going to look it up. I know the soups are normally, I think, if I'm not mistaken, they're about $1.29 now. So I think these are probably about half price. I don't know. This, that was sent to me. No, it wasn't sent to me. I bought these. This was all sent to me. This is my ramen, the last one. You got a deal going on at Kroger. This is 49 cents. Now at the dollar store, I can usually get these for about 50 cents, but for like Smith's or whatever, these are usually 89 cents. So that's about a 40-cent savings. Now I've got spices, I got some seasonal. This I had a coupon for that I loaded onto my card. Plus it was on sale. That one wrapped up pretty good. Oh, here's my receipt. So today I saved $48.55, but I actually saved much more than that. Much more than that. Much more than that. This was sent to me. I've used it already. This was sent to me. This was sent to me. Flour I bought today. That's pretty cheap. I don't know what I'm going to use this on yet. 39 cents. And this is like a caramel drizzle. I've got a couple of cake mixes. Here, I'm going to use that on. This, 79 cents. I think I saw it on the shelf for like $1.40 or something. Brand new. Duncan Hines cake mix. $1. Pound cake. $1.49. I guess I didn't get it. I thought I had a pineapple upside down cake mix too. I didn't get it. Anyway, I've got all of these potatoes. Yeah, I'm showing off my food. But, you know, when you haven't had any, or when you go so long without food, and you suddenly are blessed with the ability to have an abundance of it, you show it off a little bit. You're proud of yourself. I'm going to get me a bundt can, and I'm going to make a bundt cake. That's definitely going to be something I share. Got all kinds of peanut butter. I finally got me some jelly, peach preserves. Oh, that's going to be a good sandwich. These are Duos, Jack and Swiss. This was sent to me. This is going to be a good meal. Cheesy broccoli soup mix. That's going to be a delicious meal. This is going to go with one of my lines for sure. This was sent to me also. Slow cooker sauce, apple bourbon barbecue with sweet peppers and brown sugar. It says just add pork. Well, I've got the pork. Well, that's going to get used for sure. That will be another one of my cooking channel specials. So I have plenty of food. Like this for when I do my pulled pork. Got this for snacking. Finally have snack foods. Got this for snacking. Some Hostess. I got snacks. So, yeah. I got food in the house. My bananas. Can't say enough about my bananas. 2 types of bread. White and potato bread. I love potato bread. Normally wouldn't buy it because of the cost, but today I just felt like I had to. I was saving so much money. I just had to buy some potato bread. And because I kept my bill under $100, I feel like I really did well today. I really did do well today. Oh, I'm at 20 minutes. I gotta stop this. It takes forever to upload these videos. So I am going to stop this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day. I love you, everybody. Thank you very much for watching and supporting me. Thank you very much.